Let's beat the summer heat with this amazing watermelon cooler, a recipe that's going to leave you wanting for more. So let's start off by adding a bowl of seedless watermelon chunks into a blender, followed by 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 5 to 6 mint leaves, and then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. You can adjust the quantity of the sugar as per your taste, and if you want, you can even add ice cubes at this point. Once done, blend all of this well, and you can either strain it or just have it directly. The juice is now ready and I'm pouring it directly into the glasses. I'm adding few ice cubes now. This is optional. If you want it chilled, you can even keep it in the refrigerator. To give it a nice finish, I'm garnishing my drinks with mint leaves and watermelon. Well, your refreshing drink is now ready to be served. Enjoy!